Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the description of your Skool community. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to change this description right over here. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to change the description that you see right over here, you want to go into settings and then you want to click on general. And then this is what you want to go ahead and edit. Now keep in mind that this description has to be less than 150 characters. And there's actually two descriptions that your community has. So one description is here where it'll appear on the upper right hand corner. The other description is that if you go into the about page here, you could actually add or edit this description here, which is what people see before they join your group. So make sure to edit both places just because they both serve two different purposes. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the description of your Skool community. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.